So, good day everyone. Our topic for today is about advanced presentation skills. You can use PowerPoint to develop professional presentation for electronic delivery as on-screen slideshow or for print delivery as slide decks with handouts and note pages. You can also use PowerPoint to quite easily lay out complex single-page presentations for productions as flyers, posters, or postcards, or for delivery as electronic files such as pictures. The PowerPoint presentation can be an effective way of providing information in a small segments. Individual slides can include bullet points, pictures, charts, tables, and business diagrams. Professionally designed themes visually enhance your message and provide us professional coordinated appearance. The elements that control the appearance of PowerPoint and the way you interact with it while you create presentations are collectively referred to as the user interface. Some user interface elements such as the color scheme are cosmetic. Others such as toolbars, menus, buttons are functional. The default PowerPoint configuration and functionality is based on the way that most people work with the app. You can modify cosmetic and functional user interface elements to suit your preferences and working style. Okay, so what we wanted to learn from this discussion is the hyperlinks and embedding files in data. But later on, I will show you the basic before this hyperlink and embedding files in data. I will discuss and demonstrate the way and how you will be able to use the PowerPoint from the very beginning using Windows 10, of course, operating system. So at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to use hyperlinks to improve their PowerPoint presentation, embed files and data to their PowerPoint presentation, and maximize PowerPoint presentation as an effective visual aid tool. So using hyperlinks in Microsoft PowerPoint. So select an object or highlight a text. Okay? Go to Insert, Hyperlinks, then under Links category or use the shortcut key Control plus K. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box would appear as what we have here. Okay? Then when done, click OK to apply your hyperlink. Then using hyperlinks Microsoft PowerPoint, link to options, existing file or web page. So you can create a hyperlink to website or a local file saved in your hard drive. Just browse your file in the dialog box or type the web address. You can place in this document, creates a hyperlink that allows you to jump to a specific slide in your presentation. Create a new document. Of course, you can create a hyperlink that once clicked creates a new document on your specified location or email address. You can create a hyperlink that opens Microsoft Outlook that automatically adds your specified recipient on a new email. Embedding objects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Embedding object is easy using PowerPoint presentation. With this button or with this option, you can insert an Excel file that would look like a table to a PowerPoint presentation. So how will be able to do that? Go to Insert tab. On the text group, click on Object. The Insert Object dialog box would appear. But if you're not able to open this Insert tab, because sometimes, of course, as I mentioned with my previous discussion about Microsoft Office 365, there are certain cases that the position of different tools is different. So for example, if you are using Microsoft Office 2003, 2007, 2010, the location of your object or insert object dialog box is different in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 and 2019. Once you are done, click OK. Uh, For options, creates a new file from scratch, and you can select on a wide variety of files listed. Create from file, creates a file from an existing file saved on your hard drive. Simply browse the file to use it. Putting a check on the link option will allow you to modify the Excel file inside your PowerPoint presentation. So this will be my references for that discussion. And before I say thank you for that discussion, and we may proceed to our demonstration. So as what we have here, we have a PowerPoint presentation already. Okay? So, of course, for us to open the Microsoft Word, so for example, if we don't have Microsoft Word here, click Start. Then as what we have here, we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. So click Microsoft PowerPoint. Then as you can see here, we have a blank presentation, geometric color block, slice, earth inspiration, welcome to PowerPoint, bring your PowerPoint, and a lot themes available. So as you can see here, if you want to use floral flourish, future forward, and a lot more. So for example, if you want to use organic, then create. So you have now a Microsoft PowerPoint opening. So as what we have here, this one, as you can see here, we have PowerPoint presentation here. This one is what we call our title bar. Okay. Then at the bottom, we have the status bar, of course, and the ribbon at the same time. And we have here some paste, no, new layout, that is formatting toolbar. Okay. And this one. Actually, Microsoft PowerPoint also offered different design ideas at the right side. Okay, so as what we have here, we have a paste here, we have new. This is what we call quick access toolbar. Okay, then as what we have here, we have close, we have maximize and minimize, and that is window management. Okay, and this one is what we call ribbon display options. Okay, so if we wanted to use different tools here, we have file, of course, as you can see here. You are allowed to create new, open, info, save as, print, share, export, and of course, close. Then under home, menu, so you will be able to see the Microsoft PowerPoint environment. Then within the insert, we have the new table, pictures, images, illustrations, add-ins, links, comments, text, symbols, and media. So as you can see here, in 2019, we have video, audio, and screen recording. So then, of course, we have a design. So if you want to change your design, so for example, if you want to replace this one through facet, okay, so automatically, and so on and so forth. So we have a lot of designs. So if you want to have more designs, click this one. Okay. and so on. So you could able to see the slide size, change the size of the slide in this presentation, or you can format the background, or you can design ideas designer, or open the design ideas pane for instant slide makeover. So as what we have here at the right side. So there are certain designs offered by Microsoft PowerPoint application. So for example, if we want to use the former design, then transition. So for transition, we have a lot of possible transition option or transition to slide. So for example, if we want to use this one, so as you can see, this will be the effect for fade. So this one, push, wipe, split, reveal, cut, shape, and a lot more. Okay, so you just click this one. Example, fly through, orbit, window, rotate, conveyor, Ferris wheel, pan, random, zoom. No? Actually, I always use random because if you choose random, automatically different transition to each slide. No? Then for animation, so for example, if you want to have an animation of this one, for example, appear, no, paid, fly in. So every either text or even pictures, you could able to assign different animation. Okay, then slideshow, of course. So if you want, for example, to record, for example, no, from the beginning, from the current slide, set up slideshow, hide the slide, rehearse timing, and of course, as I mentioned, record. Now, if you record the presentation, of course, you just click start record, no, for example, then automatically, you just state the content, give the discussions. Then if you done for the first slide, of course, next slide, then discuss it. Then automatically, as you can see here, no, we have a setting also for this, no, for microphone and for the camera. So since we off the camera and microphone, so as you can see here, then so once you are done, okay, for example, you're already finished with this one, then automatically back. As you can see here, we have here a record file. So if you want to make it in a full sounds, so you are allowed to adjust actually. Okay, so that is for recording slide. Then for the review, you could able to review your PowerPoint through spelling check, check accessibility, translate language, new comment, and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, if you want to insert pictures, no, in table, for example, you're allowed to insert from Microsoft Excel, for example, no. And as you can see here, we could able to migrate, no, the Microsoft Excel application to our Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to add, you just click on your insert new slide, no. If you want to delete, just press delete, no, or add new slide. But of course, if you want to copy, of course, so you just choose the slide you want to copy, then Control C. Then position your mouse pointer at the center, then Control V. Okay, so that is the way how you'll be able to copy the symbol. So for example, if you want to edit this one, if you want to insert a a picture. So if you want to insert picture or screenshots, no, picture this device or from the stock image or from the online picture. So for example, from this device. So if you want to insert, for example, a picture, that's it. It's easy for us to insert picture. Then as you can see, once we insert a picture, automatically display a new menu bar that is picture format. Okay, wherein you are allowed to format picture. If you want to insert a shape, an icon, and so on and so forth. If you want to insert a link, so for example, if you want to insert a link, then for example, this one, SC2 resolution, and click OK. So once I click this one later, so for example, if you want to run, this one, once I click this one, automatically go to the link. Okay, so once we click, automatically open the application. Okay, so this is the way on how you'll be able to insert link. So if you want to insert text box, header and footer, word art, even equation actually. No? So for those who wanted to insert equations also, especially for a mathematics subjects, no? Also allowed to do that. So once you inserted, automatically display here additional menu bar equation. Right? Display the fraction, script, radical, integral, large operator, and so on and so forth. Okay, what else? So if you want to insert a video, for example, online, you just simply paste, no? For example, so wait for a while inserting the, so so once we run this one, so okay, so you'll be able to insert even the link and others. Okay, I think that's it, and good luck to each and everyone. Actually, we have a lot of different applications that we could able to insert with our Microsoft PowerPoint. Before I forgot, if you want to print an application or your documents from Microsoft Word application, you just file or just Control P. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a full page, slide, or even, for example, you want to have at least 4 slides per slide. So as you can see here, or for example, 6 per horizontal line. So it's also allowable. Then print. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.